Meaning of DDC.
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 DDC. DDC stands for Dynamic Data Center. It is a type of data center that uses software and automation to manage and optimize the use of resources such as computing, storage, and networking. With DDC, organizations can better manage their IT infrastructure, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. This technology allows for a more flexible and agile approach to managing resources, enabling faster response times to changing business needs. Overall, DDC is an important tool for modern businesses to stay competitive and efficient in a rapidly changing technological landscape.